Everything's hooked up. I have to lift on this. It causes a bind right here. And then this jacket hits the splash well. You can see this angle. I can barely even screw this in. See how bad an angle that is when I raise it that high. And if I push the motor down, it's actually good. So it's just when it's up. Also to note, the cable goes up over that little bump there, through the splash well, and then down, and then it needs to go back up to the mount. So right here is like the pivot point, and that's where I think it's going to bend. I can pull it up, but it just doesn't feel right. And here showing everything on this actually turns how it's supposed to. So it goes that way and that way.